Hey everybody, it's Eric with Dempsey's Resolution Fitness at dempseysresolution.com, and what I want to talk to you today about is giving you a quick class on meal planning with a super simple one sheet page that I came up with that keeps it real simple. We're going to start with making 3 lists. A lot of people are confused about how do you even do meal planning. It's not that hard, so I've come up with a simplified version. We're going to start with getting a pen and paper and making 3 lists, okay? Now I'm going to flip it over to the board to explain it to you. All right, so what we have here is 3 lists. We're going to write down protein, fat, and carbs, and under each list, you're going to make a list of all the proteins that you like. You're just writing down foods that you like, which is, kind of cool, right? And then you're going to write down all the fats. So under proteins, you're going to list all your, all your poultry, all your meats, all your beefs, all your fishes, eggs, whatnot, every type of protein that you like, including any kind of supplements that you're going to use, but try to stick to whole foods in the beginning. Then we go to the fat columns, all the nuts and seeds, the oils, coconuts, avocados, different types of fish oil, krill oil, different, whatever you like, right? Whatever works for you, you're going to write down this big list of fats, all the good fats that you like. And then we proceed to carbs, all the starchy carbs, all the vegetables, all the fruits, everything that's in the carb category that you like, right? And then once we have our 3 lists, say you write down 10 things in each one, right? Then we're going to go across. Remember, a meal consists of a protein, a fat, and a carb, okay? The 3 macronutrients that make up a meal. So we go across. I'm going to use the top line for an example: chicken, almonds, and broccoli, okay? That's meal number 1. Then I go across: steak, walnuts, and spinach. Meal number 2. Now you can go diagonal, crisscross, however you want. You can make any combination as long as you get a protein, fat, and carbs. This is just a simple way to do it, right? Once you list about 10 meals down, or however many meals you need, then you go ahead and make that's your meal plan. You divide that up, how many meals for how many days, and then you make as many meals as you need. And then you're going to go ahead and make your grocery list off all the foods that are already on the list. You pretty much got the grocery list already written out. You just got to, finalize it and put the details on. Make your grocery list, go shopping, buy all the stuff. Preferably, you're going to do this all at the same time of the week. Like say on a Sunday, Sunday afternoon, you're going to do all this. You're going to go buy it and you're going to come home and prepare it. Do your whole meal prep for the next week. And then you're going to eat and make all kinds of gains, right? You're going to get lean, strong, and fast. So anyway, that's a quick, easy way to do it. And, there's a 1-pager right there for you. That's all you need to do. If you can start there, you can, evolve and make it more, more detailed and more high speed. And you can implement carb cycling. You can do all kinds of stuff, right? But start with the basics, start there. That gives you a format, that gives you something to go by, and it's quick, okay? Hope this helps. This is Eric with Dempsey's Resolution Fitness, and I'll have more for you later. Take care.